In this week's video, I'm going to look at fonts again, carrying on from last week. This will be font combinations or font sets in Canva. Hi, I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. I'm going to go over and share my screen now so we can look at how to pair fonts and come up with the most effective combinations with the help of Canva, of course. I pulled up a blank presentation for now, and what I'm going to do is go across to a new button I've discovered called Design. And under there, Canva's grouped a lot of the features that you need when you're designing. Let's click on Design, and you can see it's got templates, layouts, and styles. And this is where it's all moved to. Let's just have a look at templates. This is what I looked at earlier. If you've never loaded a template before, I'm just going to show you how you load it. I'm going to apply all 15 pages of this presentation. And you can see it's loaded up now. I really like the colors because, as you might have worked out, I am a purple person. But what I want to look at is the fonts today. So let's click on fonts. You'll see these two elements, this heading and subheading, have been grouped, which you can see by the faint line, but you can change them or ungroup them very easily. And this is in a font called HK Grotesque. I think that's how you pronounce it, bold. As I showed you last week, I could click on this to change the font. What I want to look at today used to be somewhere else. It used to be called font combinations. In case you've been searching for it, click back into Design, move back out of this, and go into Styles, which is now under here. It used to be down on your left-hand side, but now it's been grouped under the Design tab. And if you can see, if I scroll down from here on this left-hand bar, it says Font Sets. And now they're all grouped as font sets rather than combinations. Canva used to have these recommended for different things, but now they've just grouped them all under this one area. And you can see there's bold and there's vibrant. I did find that a lot of these didn't really change that much as I went through them. So I think Canva will be adding some more very soon. Watch out for that. This is exactly the combination that we have on this presentation. So if I click on it, it just will be the same. But it's really easy just to change this. Let's look at something that would look quite fun on this. Back to bold. I'm going to click on this combination. You can see it's giving me quite a futuristic look, which I like. And it's now asking if I want to apply it to all pages. And by doing that, it will be very easily just move my whole presentation into the new fonts I've just chosen. And it's got a combination of 3. And as I've said, combination of 2 to 3 fonts is as much as you want to do. If you have more than that, you're going to overwhelm people in your design. It's good practice just to stick to 2 or 3 main fonts. I'm going to click to apply this to all pages. And you can see it's now telling me the style has been applied across all my pages. And it's very simple just to change it. If I do this again, with this abyss one, let's change it on the first slide, and now asking if I want to apply it to all pages. And again, I'll click on that. The style has been applied across all the pages. Let's just go and find another one. You can just go through all of them. And you can see there are probably about 30 or 40 different ones in here. I tend to use Montserrat a lot, so I think it's a really clear, easy to read text. That's all I wanted to show you today, a way of helping you choose fonts for your designs or for your branding. And once you've selected the font sets that you like to use most, you can easily add them to your brand kit and then have them available to use in all your designs at your fingertips. I hope that helps. And if you found this video useful, please do hit the subscribe button below and the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you next week.